Hi guys, this is Kajal Ratty and I am here with a new chapter, Algebraic Expression and Identities for class 8. So guys, in the earlier class, we have already learned about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? What are constant, variable, coefficient, etc. So here are few example in front of you. X plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x, 4xy plus 7. So what all we need to make an expression is variable, constant, coefficient and operators. Okay, now in the given example there are variable, there are constant, coefficient and operators also. So variable is a letter that usually we can write letters x, y, z, abc, etc. and constant are the plain old numbers that do not touches any variable. In the given example 3, 5, 7, these are the constant. Now coefficient is an integer that written along with a variable, that is 2, 3 and 4. These are the coefficient. And operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division, these symbols are used in operators. So what all we need to make an expression is term, factors and coefficient. Now what is meant by terms? Term can be a number, a variable or a product of one or more variable or product of one or more product of number and variable. Now in the given example, if I ask you how many terms are there, 2x square plus 3xy plus y square, the answer is 3. So 2x square, 3xy and y square. These are the three terms. If I ask you another example, if I give you another example, 4xy, how many terms are there? Only one term. If I give you another example, 2x square plus 4x, how many terms are there? Two terms are there. So we can say that an algebraic expression can be made up of one term or group of many terms. That is algebraic expression. Now factors. Factor of the term number or variable that are multiplied to form a factor. So for example 4xy, the given term, for the given term the factor is 4xy. For the given term 2x square, for the given term the factor is 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x. That is the factor of the given term. Now what is meant by coefficient? Coefficient is the number, is an integer that is written along with a variable. In the given example 2, 3 and 1. These are the coefficient of the given algebraic expression. Coefficient of the terms. Okay. Now 9xy minus 2xy plus y square. This is your algebraic expression. Okay. Now how many terms are there? 9xy minus 2xy and y square. These are your terms. Okay. Now 9 factor of this is 9xy minus 2xy and here y and y. These are the factors and coefficient is 9 and minus 2. These are the coefficient. Okay. Now let us come to monomial, binomial and polynomial. Mono means single. So an algebraic expression that contain only one term. Okay. This is called as monomial. For example 4x square, 2x or 5. These are the example of monomial. Okay. Now binomial. Binomial is an expression that contain two terms. That is called as binomial. For example 4x square plus 5x or 2x plus 4. These are the example of binomial. And now last one is polynomials. Polynomials means an expression that contain one or more terms. It's called and with non-zero coefficient. Okay. Polynomial is an expression that contain one or more terms. Okay. With non-zero coefficient. With non-zero coefficient, that is polynomial. So example of polynomial is 4x square plus 4xy plus 5, or 7xy plus 5x plus 2 plus 4. These are the example of polynomial. Okay. Now, guys, in the earlier class, you have already learned about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So let us take an example: 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. We have to add the given algebraic expression. For this, we study about like term and unlike term. Like and unlike term. Okay. So what is mean by like term? Like term are the term that contain same variable and power. Same variable and power. Okay. And the coefficient do not need to match. And coefficient do not need to match. Okay. That is called as like term. And unlike term is totally opposite of like term. That is, the variable and power do not need to match. Okay. That is called as unlike term. Variable and power do not need to match. That is called as unlike term. So above example, we solve the above example: 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Write each and every expression in single line and write the like term one below the other, that is 9x minus 10. Okay, and let's make a addition of this, that is 7x square plus 5x minus 5. This is your answer. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.